8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
अस्माकं भ्रातर्भगिन्यश्च इयं मातृभूमि प्राणोभ्योऽपि प्रियतरा भवति। अस्य समृद्ध विविध संस्कृत च वयं गर्वस्ति। वयमस्यां सुयोग्याधिकारिणो भवितुं सदा प्रयन्तमाना भवेम। वयमस्माकं मातापितरो गुरुजनाश्च सम्मानेम। सर्वेषः शिष्टतया व्यवहारेण सर्वेषापि प्राणिषु दयावन्त भवेम। भारतं भारतीयाश्च विश्वासपात्रतां प्रतिजानीम। तेषामेव कल्याणे समृद्धौ च अस्माकं सुखं निहितमस्ति। जय तु भारतम्।
ऐसे सुनहरी चाबी होती है जो बंद भाग्य का दरवाजा बहुत आसानी से खोल सकती है। मैं अपना सुविचार पुण्य कहती हूँ, शिक्षा और मेहनत दो ऐसी सुनहरी चाबी होती है जो बंद भाग्य का दरवाजा बहुत आसानी से खोल सकती है। धन्यवाद।
विशेषण वाक्य में प्रयोग, राम हर कार्य में सक्षम है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to everyone present over here. Today's English word is spectacular, meaning beautiful. Parts of speech, adjectives, sentence formation. The bird looks spectacular from the tree. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
at Gandhi Memorial as they wrapped up the summit in New Delhi. Morocco was hit by its strongest earthquake ever. Turkey President Erdogan supported India's claim to join the UN Security Council. Now, moving forward towards the national news, TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu was sent to judicial custody in AP skill development case as his party called for statewide Bandh in Andhra. Nitish Kumar, Mamata Banerjee and many more political opponents were also invited to PM Modi's G20 dinner.
Moving on to some sports news, the two classy batter create a string of records root to their unbroken 223 runs partnership, and India defeated Pakistan by 228 runs. 19 years old, Coco Gauff became the first teenage since Serena Williams in 1999 to win the US Open crown. Australia claimed the top ODI ranking after beating South Africa. At last, some weather report. Today's minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius, wind speed 7 km per hour, humidity 82%, and 80% chance of precipitation today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
My dear beloved friends, myself, Mansi Chhetri, student of class 11 Humanities, is here in front of you all to give my book review for this book, Wings of Fire. First of all, I really want to thank my teachers who gave me this great opportunity to share my views on this book. Basically, this book, it's an autobiography of the great man of our country known as Missile Man, as well as the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This book is written by him and Arun Tiwari in 1999. Arun Tiwari, he is a well-known missile scientist who has also worked with Dr. Kalam. This book has 180 pages. In this autobiography, Dr. Kalam has examined his early life, his hard work, efforts, luck and chance that eventually lead him to lead Indian space research, and also examine that only the determination and consistency is two things that one can achieve everything in life. And also mention that all these missiles and rockets are the work done through a small person called Kalam in order to spread a message to the millions people of India, especially youth, that to never feel small or helpless, because we all are born with a divine fire in us, but our effort should be the one that provide wings to this fire. At last, I just want to say that when I read this book, I was so inspired and fascinated. And as we all know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he is a great inspiration to us, and we have many things to learn from him. And I hope with this review, you also get a desire to read it once. But remember two things: determination and consistency. If you have these two things, then no one can stop you to achieve your goals, then no one can stop you to succeed in your life. I want to end this with a small quote that written by APJ Abdul Kalam himself. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you to realize your hidden power and remember to think. And thank you and have a great day ahead.
लम्हों में सदियां तलाश करता हूँ, गुजरते लम्हों में सदियां तलाश करता हूँ। ये मेरी प्यास है, ये मेरी प्यास है, नदियां तलाश करता हूँ। यहाँ तो लोग गिनाते हैं खूबियाँ अपनी, यहाँ तो लोग गिनाते हैं खूबियाँ अपनी। मैं अपने आप में कमियां तलाश करता हूँ, मैं अपने आप में कमियां तलाश करता हूँ। Most honored Biplab Sarkar sir, Principal KV Durgapur, Shri Mohanlal Lohar sir, Principal KV IM Joka, Shri Krishna Kumar Dubey sir, Principal KV Kashipur, Shri Partho Basu sir, HM, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Sarle, Kolkata. Sir, I, on behalf of whole Vidyalaya family of KV number 1, Binaguri camp, extend our hearty and warm welcome to you, sir, here in the Vidyalaya KV number 1, Binaguri camp.
Respected Sri K.K. Dubey, Principal Kashipur, respected Sri Biplab Sarkar, Principal KV Durgapur, respected Sri Mohanlal Lohar, Principal KV IIM Joka, respected Sri Partha Basu, and respected in-charge Principal of the Vidyalaya, Sri Muhammad Ayub Alamji. Respected teachers and dear students, I have been called here to bless you, but you are already blessed because you are children. Can I run faster than you? How many of you feel that I can run faster than you? Raise your hands. How many of you feel that I can run faster than you? How many of you feel that I can't? Raise your hands. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? आप में से कितने लोग मुझसे ज्यादा तेज दौड़ सकते हो? हाथ ऊपर करें। आप कितने लोग सोचते हो इसमें से कई सारे लोग गलत हो? हाथ नीचे करें। इसमें से कई सारे लोग गलत हो, लेकिन कई सारे लोग सही हो। कितने लोग मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छे से तैर सकते हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन स्विम बेटर देन मी? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन स्विम around a kilometer? I'm not talking about speed. I'm not talking about speed. I'm just telling about your skill in swimming. Hands down, please. Dear students, when you are kids, when you are small kids, you are very much active and energetic. When this beautiful community song was going on, I saw several students of this side dancing to the tune and singing the song. But I found that most of the senior students, they were not singing. What could be the reason? It is an indication that they have started becoming adults. It is an indication that they have started becoming adults. Similarly, two beautiful programs were presented. One was the welcome song and the other one was the beautiful Sambalpuri dance, which has a close affinity with me because I belong to Sambalpur only. So dear students, thank you very much for bringing me back to my homeland. At the same time, I must thank you for that wonderful traditional folk song with which you welcomed all of us, including the teachers of the Vidyalaya. Actually, I am not your guest. Who am I? I am an insider. I am an insider, I am not an outsider. I am very much from inside the system. Therefore, someone welcoming the family member is definitely very much wholehearted. Therefore, I must thank all of you, the scouts and guides who extended such a warm welcome to us right at the gate in the scout and guide way. That was praiseworthy. Similarly, all the items that were presented were superb. I must thank the teachers who are guiding the students to present such beautiful programs. Let's continue such trend. केवीएस के बच्चे किसी से कम नहीं हैं। केवीएस की स्थापना किस लिए की गई थी? कौन एक बताएगा मुझे? केवीएस की स्थापना किस लिए की गई थी? Initially, it was started with the aim to impart good quality school education to the children of armed forces. Therefore, initially it was known as Central School. And I am very much blessed that I have come to a school which is very much inside such a cantonment area. And the discipline is very much remarkable, both inside the school and outside the school. I request all of you to understand what was there inside that community song and follow it throughout life. As I started my talk, I told that you are stronger than me, you are faster than me, you are mentally more alert than me. Those who are standing on this side, definitely they are more alert than me. But unfortunately, many of the senior students might have got diverted by mobile phones and all those things. So my sincere request to all of you, never ever lose your childhood. I felt like dancing to the tune of that Sambalpuri song. That means I can go back to my childhood. And those people who can go back to their childhood, they can be successful in life. Why? कोई एक बता सकते हैं? बड़े बच्चों में से कोई चिल्ला के बताओ तो। कभी एक बच्चा को हारते हुए देखे हो? मान लो हार भी गया, 2-4 मिनट के बाद फिर क्या होता है? द सेम स्माइल रिटर्न्स। लेकिन मुझे 5 साल पहले कोई डांटा था, उसको भी मैं याद रखता हूं, मैं एडल्ट हूं, इसलिए मेरा नुकसान होता रहता है। Therefore, I sincerely request all teachers to forget the past, enjoy every moment. And dear children, if you enjoy every moment, you will be successful in life. How many of you love learning? हाथ ऊपर करें। जितने लोग हाथ उठा रहे हो, उनमें से कितने लोग आज असेंबली में क्या क्या प्रेजेंट किया गया आइटम्स बता सकते हो और उसका कुछ कुछ चीजें बता सकते हो जो अंदर है? हाथ ऊपर करें। Assembly, the morning assembly is the most important activity of this Vidyalaya. We should concentrate on that activity. If we concentrate there, then you see, first one is we will know about our folk culture. We will know about what is happening in and around the world. We will be physically fit because yoga and all these exercises are being done. So I sincerely request all of you to concentrate on these things. एक बच्चा का गुण क्या क्या होता है, एक लाइन में बताऊंगा, सब थक गए हैं शायद। ज्यादा लंबा हो गया क्या स्पीच? लंबा हो गया? स्पीच लंबा होने से भी दिक्कत नहीं होता जो पार्टिसिपेट करता है। जो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है उसको 2 मिनट भी बड़ा लंबा लगता है। समझ में आ रहा है? If you are those who are dancing, for them that dance is not long, but those who are not observing wholeheartedly, for them it is very long. So vidya dadati vinayam, vinayat yati patratam, patratam dhanam apnoti, dhanat dharmam tato sukham. कितने लोग इसका अर्थ समझते हैं? नहीं समझते हैं तो थोड़ा समझा देता हूं। बहुत सारा प्रेजेंट किया जाता है श्लोक, लेकिन बच्चे उसको समझने का कोशिश नहीं करते हैं। विद्या ददाति विनयम, अधभर गगरी छलकत जाय, ये कितने लोग समझते हो? आधा भरा हुआ जो मटका होता है उसका पानी उछलता रहता है, जो पूरा भरा हुआ है वो आसानी से नहीं उछलता है। जो ज्ञान से भरा हुआ है वो आदमी उछलेगा नहीं, उसमें विनय की भावना आती है। जो ज्यादा उछलता है वो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, वो शिक्षित नहीं है। सो विद्या ददाति विनयम, विनयात याति पात्रताम। जो इंसान के अंदर विनय की भावना है उसको पात्रता मिलता है। पात्रता मतलब क्या है? एलिजिबिलिटी। एलिजिबिलिटी आप जानते हो ना, एग्जाम जो लोग देते हो, आपको अगर एनटीएससी एग्जाम क्लास 10 में देना है तो 60% मार्क्स 9th में होना चाहिए, ये एलिजिबिलिटी है। उसी तरह जिंदगी में कई सारे एलिजिबिलिटीज हैं। विनयात याति पात्रताम, पात्रताम इज एलिजिबिलिटी। देन पात्रताम धनमाप्नोति, जब आपके पास एलिजिबिलिटी है आपके पास पैसे आएंगे, धन आएगा, सम्मान आएगा। धना धर्म, धन से आप धर्म कर सकते हो, पापा का धर्म, मम्मी का धर्म, समाज के प्रति हमारा धर्म अदा कर सकते हैं हम लोग। तत्व सुखम, उसी से प्लेजर मिलता है। इसलिए आप सभी से आग्रह करूंगा, विद्या रूपी ये महान धन जो है इसको हर वक्त पर आहरण करने की कोशिश करें। और ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचूंगा, आप सबका रिएक्शन में देखने लगा हूं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी। I hope that you will have the highest kind of discipline and you will be successful. My good wishes are there with you always. As told by your in-charge principal, you have produced the best results in the last 4-5 years. I request all of you to continue that trend. A teacher is a teacher. We don't distinguish between a contractual teacher and a regular teacher. When I started my career, I was also a contractual teacher. So no contractual teacher should feel disheartened. आपके जगह भी हम थे कभी. So I sincerely request all of you to work devotedly so that you will also be successful in life. And those teachers who are already permanent teachers, for them the single message is stay healthy and happy so that you can do better for the society and for your family. Thank you all. God bless you all.